In this video, I will show you how I will improve this brand's email revenue. This brand is currently generating 26% of the revenue from emails, but we can improve even more. So first of all, if you look at this sign-up form, it is very cluttered. So we will reduce the all the things that are going on in the sign up form and just focus on one thing, and that would be 10% discount code. We would remove this banner, and we would remove all the text from this image as well, and we would only have this section, and we can improve the copywriting of this section. That's it. Anybody who gets the sign up form would be more confused with all this text rather than being intrigued and then giving us their email. So this is the first thing that we would do. The second thing is, if you look at the email campaigns, they are sending very good email campaigns, educational, promotional, and engagement emails. But the one thing that we have to make sure is that the CTA should be at the very top of the email, so that anybody can open the email in their mobile and see the CTA at the top. For example, if we look at these emails here, so if somebody receives this email, they would get this CTA at the top of the email, so they would be able to see this in the first half of the email, in the desktop and in the mobile as well. And mobile is the most important right now. So this is one of the emails, and if I show you all these emails, the CTA is not at the top. So the CTA should be at the top, like after the and there should be clear banner as well. The banner should be very clear what the email is about, so anybody doesn't have to scroll the email. They can just get the complete idea through the first half of the email. So this is and second thing that we would do. This is an abandoned cart email, and you can see the product that we abandoned is right at the bottom of the email. So we will improve the abandoned cart sequence as well, and make sure that the product that we abandoned is literally at the top of the email instead of at the bottom. So if somebody opens the email in their mobile, they can see, okay, this is the product that we abandoned. They can look at the CTA, complete my order, and then just complete the order right away. They don't have to scroll down or anything. And even if they scroll down, they would see a review that, this would be a social proof as well from our side. So this is how we will improve the email flows. And in terms of email campaigns, this is what I was talking about, in the banners at the top and the CTs at the top. These two things. And in terms of sign up form, we discussed that we would just improve the sign up form, but we would also test sign up forms according to our A/B testing framework. In the phase A, we would test the offer, then behavior, and then zero party data collection. To consolidate everything, this is the document that we created for them. So first of all, in terms of deliverability, they had an SPF issue. They don't have an SPF record from the email domain that they are sending. So we will just add the SPF record, and I mentioned the record as well that they have to add. The second thing is sign up form. We have to improve the sign up form. We have to reduce the text and strengthen the offer. We have to improve the trigger conditions as well. So the condition right now is that the pop-up will appear after 5 seconds of time delay. I would also turn on this one if the visitor has scrolled a certain amount, and that would be 30%. And then I would turn on this one as well after a visitor sees a certain number of pages, which would be 2 to 3 pages. So this is how we'll improve the trigger condition so that more people see the sign up form. And we would also add an exit intent sign up form. We would create a separate sign up form, which would be an exit intent one. And then we would turn on this setting that don't show multiple forms at the same time in one session to one person. So this would be another way to capture leads. And remember, the more people that you get in your email list, the more revenue that you will generate from campaigns and flows alike. Then we would also implement the ongoing A/B testing that I just showed you. After that, in terms of list size, they are using properly. They are not using the entire list, but they are using 180 engages. So the entire list is 30,000, but they're only using 20,000 people. But this is good enough because many people don't even do that, and I have recommended a sunset flow for this. And they are excluding the non-openers and non-engagers, bouncers, spammers, unsubscribes, everyone. So that is good as well. In terms of campaigns, they are sending in the frequency in the last 30 days, I calculated, they send 3 promotional, 5 educational, 1 engagement, and 1 back in stock email, which is good enough. They're sending 5 educational emails in a month, and they're sending more than 8 emails, which is the bare minimum. They are excluding non-engagers, bouncers, and spammers. In terms of email flows, they have all the flows. They just don't have the site abandonment, winback, sunset, and upsell and cross-sell flow. You need all these. These are individual flows, not just I have written in slash here, but these are individual flows. Winback is separate, sunset is separate, upsell and cross-sell are also separate. And then in terms of, there are some advanced flows as well that they are missing. They don't have best campaign performance, review request, VIP, refund, and cancellation flows. But the most important are these ones. So they should at least have these code flows. After that, they have the structure can be improved within the flows as well. Right now, they have 2 emails in the browse abandonment. They should have 3 emails at least. And in the abandoned cart one, they have 2 emails, but they should have 4 emails in abandoned cart and checkout as well. And the first and second email, we don't give any discount in the first 2 emails, and we give a discount in the last email. So if I show you the structure here of abandoned cart, the browse one looks like this. The email 1 and email 2 has no discount. Then email 3 has a discount code which will expire in 48 hours. In the abandoned cart one, we have email 1 and email 2 go out without any discount code. And in the email 3, we say that the discount will expire. We will give a discount and say that the discount will expire in 48 hours. And then the last email is email 4, which will go out after 1 day, and it will say that the discount expires in 24 hours. This is the exact structure that we follow in checkout as well. After this, the confirm the sign up form is connected to the correct flow. This was for their brand specifically. I just wanted to confirm the sign up form was connected to the correct welcome flow because they had multiple welcome flow. In terms of copywriting and design, in copywriting I gave them 10, and then in designs I gave them 5. In terms of design, the most important factor was the banner text and the CTA should be at the top, which is not the case. So the banner text is this hat that moves with you. This is an example campaign that we created for them, and this is a CTA. This is also at the top. So this is how I will improve this brand's email marketing. If you want to be next, let me know. I will do a complete audit for you.